Hi everyone, today let us draw the spinal cord. Today let us study a short brief explanation of a spinal cord. The human nervous system consists of two parts, the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system then contains a two part that is known as brain and the spinal cord. Here I have drawn the brain and there is a continuation of the spinal cord. Today let us know about the spinal cord. The spinal cord is very thick, long rope-like structure of nerve and it is also called as a bundles of nerve that is enclosed in the vertebral column so that it is protected from the external injuries. It is safe in the vertebral column. This spinal cord act as a relay station because they carry messages from one part of a body to the different part of a body. You can see in the picture the spinal cord is connected to the brain and it also connects to the other parts of a body. This spinal cord has two main functions. The first function, it is transmits electrical signals from the brain to the rest part of the body with the help of neuron. What is the second function? It receives electrical signal from the entire body and sent to the brain with the help of neuron. So it is called as a relay station. If you like my drawing and my explanation, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you. This was a short and brief explanation of the spinal cord.